Hi everyone, thanks for joining me at Beth's Best Hair, and today I am doing a Paula Young clearance wig. This is Reese. This is the color SF1228 Honey, and she has been altered. I have trimmed a fringe bang in her. I have done my dark root spray, dry shampoo, but I have an unboxing for a new one. This is SF1026 Buttered Toast. So I just wanted to do a color comparison between buttered toast and honey and show you Reese. So today I just did, it's raining, it's nasty. So I just did a funky kind of an updo. This is my bio hair here, just a little bit, and then I just used root spray. And then I took some of my bio hair out at the back. So I'm gonna do a turnaround just so you can see what I did. So this is my bio hair here. I don't have much, but I took enough out, and then I just kind of twisted. I did a bobby pin, twisted, so I have it up kind of halfway here, and I did a twist for this clip, and then this bigger clip, and then just another little one right here. So let's get to the unboxing. So fresh out of the package. This is her, and you can see how shiny. And this is, I'm gonna hold up honey in my left hand. So honey, buttered toast. And maybe it's not really showing in the video, but I think buttered toast is a little more of a ashy. I think in this lighting, I do have a ring light over here on my right. It makes the honey look more ashy, but maybe that's because this is old. I've had this one for 2 months, so that could very well be. So I would love to show you her in natural sunlight, but it's rainy and nasty outside, so I can't do that. But I wanted to go ahead and do this video for you. She is just your typical basic cap, extended nape. I love those Velcro tabs, Velcro adjusters. She doesn't have much of an ear tab, but it is a little bit of a bendy. Just your basic front, you know, open wefting, nothing crazy. So when I come back, I'm gonna have her on in buttered toast. Oh, you know what, you guys? I'm gonna take off my earrings because it's kind of hard to mess around. So this is Reese out of the package, box hair and all. So of course we're not gonna walk out of the house looking like this. And she does have some permatease, I would say from about here to here, but it's not really a huge amount. But over time you can work with it to get her a little bit fuller. So if we just brushed her and we just went, okay, does this look wiggy to you? You know, of course it does, but I still want to show you the length. You can see here on the side. So for me, I love her length. She's a little bit longer in the back, and she's got those pretty layers. You can see this color and honey, they're so close. So I interchange these two colors all the time. And no one knows. Just us. So I'm gonna just do this one a little bit quicker before my husband comes in to get ready for work, because I don't want to be shooed down to the basement bathroom. So let's go ahead and fix her up a little bit. So let's give her a good spritz with water and get in there and mess her up. And I'm using BETH'S regular dry shampoo, combing it out, working out the part, working out the style, using my fine tooth comb to kind of work out that nesting of the permatease. And now I'm adding the L'Oreal light brown root spray Remember, I spray in sections, not just at the part. And finger fluffing, get your fingers in there to activate the permatease. There you go. You know, for styles, even though she's not a lace front, you still could do something like this if you wanted to. And that would still work. You can kind of hide that. I have also pulled out some of my own hair and kind of put with it. You know, she's also a really pretty style where you could do some nice updos. So I was gonna try something on camera. If it doesn't work, I'll have to edit it out. I was thinking if you kept the bang down and did a little bobby pin. Of course, when you're on camera, you can't get stuff to work. That you could do some form of an updo. And it may require a couple claw clips. And maybe you could just put that behind your ear and then kind of bobby pin that. Leave a wispy or two down, which I didn't hear, but I can just take some of my bio hair there. Now we can do another little clip. I just think she's just really cute. I love her length. I mean, obviously, I bought 3 of these. One of my friends has another one, and I'm actually going to buy it from her because she didn't really care for it. And because she doesn't like permatease, but I do. So I'm like, well, I get paid on Thursday. So if you can wait until Thursday, then I want her. All right, let me get another little wispy out on this side. So obviously this was super fast, but she could really be pretty for a special occasion. Could really do, and I know of people that trim a couple little shorter razor hairs there. So you could really, I really love the versatility of this one. Her fibers are super soft. I don't think she's a whisper light. I think she's just regular. And I may not trim the bang in this one. I may try to just maybe keep her for these sort of longer, fancier styles. Ooh, I kind of feel like Cleopatra. King Tut. What are you doing? No, you can't eat all those. He's just gonna eat the marshmallows out of the Lucky Charms. Just the marshmallows? You can't eat just the marshmallows. No, that's why you don't have any front teeth. Do you like Grandma's wig? Yeah? You think it's pretty? Yeah? Okay. He likes my hair. He thinks it's soft. Oh, are you going to stand and watch? So I'm just going to comb her out, but she has so many possibilities. So Reese, oh, I think I still have a clip. What do you think, Colton? You like it?
Good.
Good. He says good. I'll do one more spin around for you.
I see the little like microphone.
Yep. So Reese, she's Paula Young clearance. Right now, $29.99, and they do have her available. You have to like, people have to hear. And they do have her available in the Pecan Delight, which is a brown blend. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video and the presence of my grandson there. And he's my pride and joy, Mr. Kindergartner. Aren't you? Grandma love you so much. So don't forget to subscribe, like, press that notification bell so you're alerted each time I upload a new video. I have an Amazon wig haul for you, and it's gonna be pretty funny because I'm not used to that kind of a style, and it's ombre, and you guys, you're just gonna have to be surprised. Just wait and see. All right, so I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.